This is another wonderful opportunity to bring to your beautiful faces Graceland Estate, one of the biggest housing units right here in southeastern part of Nigeria. And here you have the opportunity to invest in off-plan buildings. What do I mean by off-plan buildings? You get to invest in the buildings when it's still at the construction level. One of the benefits of investing in off-plan buildings is that you get to customize the building to your taste. So let's see a sample of one of the buildings that has already been customized for a client.
So I am walking into the 3-bedroom bungalow. What you're seeing here is not a finished styled house. It's an off-plan project that is still much in progress. That's why you notice construction material around. This is the living area. I didn't do a detailed breakdown here, but you can already sense the openness. You can feel how the space connects as you walk through. From here, the kitchen comes right after. No long distance, no complicated movement. It's just close enough to work for everyday life. The kitchen already has its cabinet in place and some finishing has been done. It's not fully completed yet, but the direction is clear. You can tell how it's meant to function once everything is wrapped up. This is one of those kitchens that is designed to be used, not just admired. Enough space to move around, cook comfortably, and still feel connected to the rest of the house. This bungalow was designed based on client's specification. As I move into one of the rooms, you will notice the same thing. All the rooms in these bungalows are ensuite. That was part of the original plan. Privacy, comfort, and ease of use. Even without stopping to show every detail, you can still get a sense of how the rooms are positioned. They don't feel crowded or pushed into each other. Each space has its own place, its own boundaries. As you move from one room to another, there is a clear separation. Nothing feels awkward, joint, or squeezed just to fit a plan. The layout was thought through with real living in mind. As I walk through the rest of the rooms in silence, that silence actually matters. It gives you the room to imagine, to picture how you did arrange things, to decide if this flow works for you. Towards the end of the video, I stepped briefly into the 4-bedroom duplex section. I wasn't planning to stay long here. I just wanted to show it as part of the project. You can already feel the difference as you walk in. There's a bit more space, a different kind of presence compared to the bungalow. It's the kind of home meant for people who want extra rooms to spread out. Work is still ongoing here too. Things are coming together, but it's not fully dressed yet, and that is okay. It shows progress. Now, this particular 4-bedroom duplex I am showing belongs to a client. What I am focusing on here is the compound flooring, and this flooring is optional. Some clients choose this type of finish, others customize theirs different. It really comes down to personal taste and how you want your outdoor space to feel like. There are also other optional additions available like tank stand, water tank, kitchen cabinet, solar installation, CCTV cameras. You add what suits your lifestyle and your budget. So that's the simple walkthrough of what is happening here at Graceland Estate. If you're the kind of person that likes to see things before they are perfect, who prefers to understand the structure before the finishing, then this kind of project will make sense. Take your time, watch it again if you need to, and when you're ready to ask questions, that is where the real conversation begins. And you can call me on the phone number displaying on your screen. I still remain your real estate professional, Jika Numeyo Ezine, based there in the city of Enugu. Bye.